Well, folks, it's Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales, and we're on board our Jeanneau 54 Deck Salon. It's a 2005 when we're doing our inside video. This is a super spacious, very comfortable cruising boat on the performance side. Look at the inside of this boat. All the upholstery in here has been replaced. It's all done with leather. It's very, very comfortable to sit in. Ideal cruising boat. Imagine being out in the Desolation Sound on this baby. Great size galley in it. 3-burner with oven, propane, Mediterranean by Dickinson stove unit there. Corian countertops, fridge freezer units there. Lots of prep space. Overhead extraction fan. Hot and cold pressure water. What a great setup in the galley, and lots of storage as well. Storage underneath these hatches also. So when we go through it, on the starboard side, you got a great nav station with the full electronics panel there, upgraded B&G system on it. Has a autopilot, has everything you expect it to have. It has the Starlink, so you can stay in constant contact. As we go back into it, the first thing we're going to do is the starboard rear queen size berth stateroom here. They're identical port and starboards. There's no difference between the two of them. They have a hanging locker, and they also have separate heads on both sides there. Upgraded VacuFlush heads or Dometic heads in these boat. All new sanitation lines were put into the boat by these owners. They did lots of upgrades over their ownership, constantly upgrading it for their own personal use. This is the boat to buy because they stayed on top of the maintenance, because they still are using it, and they did it for their own purposes. They didn't do a quick lipstick fix. They decided they were going to use the boat. They did. Now it's time to move on. So here's the port side cabin, identical to the starboard side cabin. Its own separate head as well. Corian countertop, upgraded head in there. The Dometic head systems. Those were all upgraded, as I said. Electronics were upgraded too. What a great boat. Lots and lots of room. So as you go forward and it past the main salon area here, which is super bright because of Jeanneau's Deck Salon design with all the skylights in it. On the starboard side, you have a double berth stateroom with its own head, hanging locker, storage along the side there, and then its own head there too, Corian countertop too, Dometic head. Nice feature. Closing doors all the way around, opening hatches above for safety and also for ventilation. And then down the port side of the boat, you have another head. So that's 4 heads total in the boat. Identical here. You got a double bunk berth here, or you can turn it into a couch if you want, and use the forward stateroom, which is really a crew quarter in these boats. This is sort of a crew quarter area, but great for kids. You got a single or double berth there, opening hatch in the front, and you have your chain, your windlass control there that you hand out through the hatch to operate the windlass. Double bunks, those drop down as well into making into a settee. PacificCoastYachtSales.com, 604-708-1980. 31 years in the boat business, selling boats like this in the Pacific Northwest. This boat is located in downtown Vancouver. We show it by appointment only. It's in great shape. Thanks for watching our walkthrough video of the inside of our Jeanneau 54DS 2005. Thanks again.